Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 13 by 11 5 pieces set of these cutting boards. This could be really good if you are one of those people that have to kind of like to have everything organized and in pristine condition and everything kind of like clean and ready to use. So you can put this one in your drying rack or your sink or things like that and just let it to clean by itself. I mean, not by itself, but at least to dry by itself. It comes with 4 cutting boards right here, and each one of these are fairly the same, I want to say, but there are 1 or 2 that have some difference. So let me actually show them to you in a close-up. So as I was telling you before, you have 4 of them, and you can see this one, for example, is for meats. It says meats right here. So again, if you like to have everything organized, you're going to have 1 for meats, 1 for veggies. Right here, it says veggies. And this one right here is going to be for fruits. For example, like if you want to do some oranges or apples or things like that, you can have this one for fruits. But this one, I wanted to show you that is a little bit different. So you can see that these lines come over here in the middle and not on the sides, because this one is for the breadcrumbs. So this is how you're going to know that this one's going to be for bread, because all the breadcrumbs are going to be inside of this one. So you just like flip it this way, give it a toss like that, and that's going to be it. And then you're going to see that comes with the actual proper place for each one of them. You can put the bread one, for example, first if you want, but I do like it to have it on this side over here with the meat ones, because I think it's the one that I'm going to use the most. And you can see that each one of these ones, the meat one, veggies, and the fruit one, comes with this line over here on the side. So all the juices are going on that side and not just like kind of like slipping away from the actual cutting board. So you're going to have this all set, all arranged in proper condition for each one of these meats, veggies, fruit, or bread. And or you can put it on the other side and put like bread first, then fruit, then veggies, then meats. I like it. I think it's going to be a convenient one for display and also organizational purposes. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.